Alert! If you drink ginger water every day, this will happen to your body. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you adopt a daily routine of drinking ginger water? Could this drink, so simple to prepare, really bring powerful health benefits? What if there was a natural secret capable of relieving inflammation, speeding up metabolism, and even helping with weight loss? Ginger, known and used for thousands of years, continues to surprise scientists and natural medicine enthusiasts with its incredible properties. However, what are the limits of this superfood? And can it be consumed without precautions? Today, let's explore the mysteries behind ginger water and how it can transform your health. Get ready to discover one of the most natural and effective ways to take care of your body. Let's get started. An early treasure, the traditional uses of ginger. Since ancient times, ginger has been revered for its therapeutic and culinary properties. Introduced thousands of years ago in China, it was recorded in one of the oldest texts on medicine and agriculture, written between the years 200 and 250 after Christ. This book, which consolidated centuries of oral tradition, highlighted ginger as one of the most valuable medicinal plants of the time. Its striking and spicy flavor has made it an indispensable ingredient in many cuisines, especially in exotic dishes and combinations with seafood. Furthermore, ginger infusion has become a homemade classic, known as grandmother's remedy for relieving sore throats and stomach discomforts. However, the benefits of ginger go far beyond traditional recipes. This rhizome is considered a true gift from nature, capable of contributing to health in surprising ways. The amazing benefits of ginger, you need to know. 1. The anti-inflammatory power of ginger, natural relief for pain and swelling. Ginger is widely recognized for its powerful anti-inflammatory action, especially due to the presence of bioactive compounds such as gingerols, shogols, and zingiberines. These elements act directly to control inflammatory processes, helping to relieve muscle and joint pain. Studies show that ginger can be a valuable ally for those suffering from arthritis or osteoarthritis. By reducing joint inflammation, it promotes a better quality of life and relief from chronic discomfort. Additionally, its ability to reduce swelling and inflammation in blood vessels helps improve circulation, helping to prevent cardiovascular problems. Whether consumed in infusions, juices, or foods, ginger proves to be a natural and effective choice for combating inflammation. 2. Ginger, the antioxidant warrior against aging. Ginger is also a rich source of antioxidants, compounds essential for protecting the body against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can accelerate cellular aging and increase the risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and neurodegenerative conditions. With more than 25 identified antioxidant compounds, ginger acts as a true shield, preventing cellular wear and tear. Among the main benefits of this property are protection against cardiovascular diseases, reducing signs of aging, and maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Its regular consumption can even contribute to preventing diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, thanks to its protective action on the nervous system. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you will be promoting not only your health, but also your longevity. 3. Uncomplicated digestion, how ginger calms your stomach. Ginger is known for its digestive properties and its ability to soothe stomach discomfort. It acts as a powerful antispasmodic, helping to reduce gas formation, reduce stomach acidity, and prevent gastritis. Furthermore, ginger is effective in controlling nausea and vomiting, and is widely used to alleviate symptoms of morning sickness during pregnancy and discomfort associated with travel. This action occurs because it inhibits serotonin receptors, which are directly linked to gastric discomfort. To obtain these benefits, simply consume a cup of ginger tea after meals. This simple habit can significantly improve digestion, relieving discomfort and promoting well-being. 4. The sweet effect. Regulating blood sugar with ginger. Controlling blood sugar levels is essential for health, especially for people with diabetes. Recent research indicates that ginger can help reduce fasting glucose levels, contributing to the control of type 2 diabetes. This is because the active compounds in ginger stimulate the absorption of glucose by muscle cells without the need for additional insulin. Additionally, ginger helps prevent blood sugar spikes, stabilizing levels throughout the day. Consuming ginger water regularly is a practical and natural way to promote a healthy glycemic balance. However, it is essential to consult a doctor before starting frequent consumption, especially for those who are already undergoing treatment. 5. Lowering cholesterol and controlling blood pressure. Ginger plays an important role in cardiovascular health, helping to control cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. Studies show that it reduces LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol, in addition to reducing triglycerides in the blood. Another significant benefit is its ability to promote smooth muscle relaxation, which contributes to the elasticity of blood vessels. This not only improves blood flow, but also helps prevent clots from forming, reducing the risk of high blood pressure and stroke. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you will be protecting your heart and strengthening your overall health. However, it is always important to moderate consumption and maintain regular medical monitoring. 6. The secret to lose weight faster with ginger. If you are looking for a natural ally for weight loss, ginger can be an excellent choice. It has thermogenic properties, that is, it increases body temperature and accelerates metabolism, helping to burn fat. Furthermore, ginger contributes to the feeling of satiety, reducing appetite and preventing overeating. Another benefit is its action on cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to the accumulation of abdominal fat. By regulating cortisol levels, ginger helps prevent unnecessary fat storage, especially in times of stress. Combining these benefits, regular consumption of ginger water can become an effective strategy for controlling weight and improving your quality of life. 7. Staying hydrated. Ginger as your ally. Hydration is essential for the body to function properly, and ginger water can be an excellent ally in this process. Many people have difficulty achieving the ideal amount of daily water, and incorporating ginger into the water makes hydration more tasty and inviting. Plus, unlike sugary drinks like soda and artificial juices, ginger water offers benefits without loading your body with sugar or empty calories. It helps purify the body, facilitates the transport of nutrients, and maintains water balance. Adopting ginger water as part of your daily routine is a simple way to improve your hydration and, at the same time, enjoy the therapeutic benefits of the rhizome. 8. Accelerated metabolism, burning fat like never. One of the most impressive properties of ginger is its thermogenic effect, which speeds up metabolism. This process increases the body's caloric expenditure, facilitating the burning of accumulated fat. Consuming ginger, especially in infusions, stimulates the body to use more energy, even at rest. This benefit is particularly valuable for those looking to improve weight control or optimize the results of physical exercise. Furthermore, the metabolic acceleration promoted by ginger contributes to a more efficient digestive system and greater energy on a daily basis. With these factors combined, it becomes an indispensable ally for those who want to live healthier and more active. 9. Improving your performance. The aphrodisiac side of ginger. Ginger has been known for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac, and modern research confirms its benefits in improving physical and sexual performance. It increases blood flow, which not only improves physical performance but also enhances sexual desire. In men, ginger can contribute to increasing testosterone levels, as well as improving sperm quality and combating erectile dysfunction. For women, it helps reduce fatigue and promotes a general feeling of vitality, contributing to a more active and healthy, intimate life. Its regular consumption can be a simple and natural complement for those looking to improve their sexual health without resorting to medications or artificial supplements. 10. Taking care of male health with ginger. For men over the age of 40, taking care of prostate health and preventing related diseases becomes a priority. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, plays an important role in protecting against prostate problems such as prostate enlargement or even cancer. Additionally, it can help regulate hormone levels, promoting testosterone production and improving fertility. Men who consume ginger regularly report not only reproductive health benefits, but also improvements in overall mood and energy. Including ginger in your daily diet is a simple way to invest in men's health and ensure a better quality of life over the years. 11. Ginger in the fight against cancer. Ginger has chemical compounds that have shown great potential in preventing some types of cancer. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it can help reduce the processes that lead to the development of cancer cells. Recent studies suggest that ginger may inhibit the growth of colon, ovarian, and prostate cancer cells. Although this research is still ongoing, the results are promising and indicate that regular consumption of ginger can be a natural ally in protecting against this disease. Furthermore, by fighting free radicals, it helps protect the body's healthy cells, strengthening the immune system and promoting a general defense against external factors that contribute to the emergence of tumors. The other side of the coin, the risks and care with ginger. Despite its numerous benefits, ginger consumption should be moderate and accompanied by precautions, especially for people with specific health conditions. Consuming excess ginger can cause side effects such as nausea, flatulence, stomach acidity, and gastrointestinal discomfort. It is also contraindicated for young children, people with problems such as ulcers, gastroesophageal reflux, and hemorrhoids, and for those undergoing treatment with anticoagulants. Furthermore, for individuals being treated for diabetes or awaiting surgery, it is essential to consult a doctor before including ginger in the diet. Just like any other food or supplement, ginger should be used with balance and always with professional guidance to ensure its safety. 11. Ginger in the fight against cancer. Recent research suggests that ginger may play an important role in preventing some types of cancer. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps fight free radicals and reduce inflammatory processes that can contribute to the development of cancer cells. Preliminary studies indicate that compounds present in ginger, such as gingerols and shogaols, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, especially in cases of colon and ovarian cancer. Although more research is needed, the results so far are promising and reinforce ginger's potential as an ally in preventing serious illnesses. Including ginger in your diet is a natural and preventative way to take care of your health, but always with medical supervision, especially in cases of diagnosis or genetic predisposition. The other side of the coin, the risks and care with ginger. Despite all the benefits, ginger also requires caution in some situations. Consumed in excess, it can cause discomfort such as nausea, stomach pain, heartburn, and even mouth irritation. Additionally, people with specific conditions such as ulcers, gastroesophageal reflux, and clotting disorders should avoid or limit their consumption of ginger. It is also not recommended for children under 6 years of age or anyone who is allergic to spicy foods. To ensure safe and effective use, it is essential to respect the recommended doses and consult a healthcare professional if you have any questions or specific conditions. Ginger is a great ally, but like any natural substance, it should be used in moderation. Pregnant women and ginger. What you need to know. Ginger is widely used to relieve nausea and vomiting, which are common symptoms during pregnancy. However, the use of this rhizome during pregnancy requires special care. Although many studies point to its benefits, there is concern that excessive consumption may increase the risk of complications, such as miscarriages. The general recommendation is that pregnant women consult their doctors before including ginger in their diet, even in small quantities. With proper guidance, it can be a great ally in relieving discomfort without compromising the health of the mother or baby. Is ginger water really a detox? Many people believe that ginger water has miraculous detoxifying properties. However, the concept of detox is often misunderstood. The human body already has natural toxin elimination systems, such as the kidneys and liver, which perform this role efficiently. Although ginger water does not have the power to eliminate toxins directly, it contributes to overall health by strengthening the immune system and improving digestion. In this way, it complements the body's natural processes, promoting a feeling of well-being. Consuming ginger water regularly can be a practical way to support the healthy functioning of the body, but without exaggerated expectations. Do it yourself. How to prepare your own ginger water. Preparing ginger water at home is a simple and accessible process, ideal for taking advantage of all the benefits of this powerful rhizome. You will need basic ingredients: a liter of water, 4 tablespoons of grated ginger, and the juice of 2 lemons. To prepare, place water in a pan and heat until it boils. Add the grated ginger and cook for 10 minutes over low heat. After that, remove from the heat and let the mixture rest for 15 minutes so that the properties of the ginger are fully released. Strain the liquid and transfer it to a container. Ginger water can be consumed hot or cold, depending on your preference. It is ideal to distribute it throughout the day, whether on an empty stomach, during meals, or as a refreshing drink in the afternoon. With this simple recipe, you will have a practical way to include ginger in your daily routine. How much ginger water is safe to consume? Like any functional food, ginger should be consumed in moderation to avoid adverse effects. The dosage recommended by experts varies between 2 and 4 grams of fresh ginger daily. This amount is enough to enjoy the benefits without overloading the body. It is important to remember that excessive consumption of ginger can cause discomfort, such as stomach pain or nausea. Respecting the ideal dose and monitoring the effects on your body are fundamental steps towards safe consumption. If you have a specific health condition, consult a professional before starting to consume ginger regularly. This ensures that it will be a beneficial and safe addition to your diet. When to avoid ginger consumption? Special cases. Although ginger is a food rich in benefits, it is not suitable for everyone in all situations. For example, individuals with gastrointestinal problems, such as gastritis, ulcers, or reflux, should avoid ginger as it may worsen these symptoms. People who are being treated with anticoagulant medications or awaiting surgery should also be careful, as ginger can interfere with blood clotting. Furthermore, individuals with gallstones or hypothyroidism should consult a doctor before consuming it, as it may cause adverse reactions. During pregnancy, although ginger can relieve nausea, its use must be supervised to avoid complications. In all cases, it is essential to prioritize medical advice to ensure that ginger is consumed safely and beneficially. Transform your life with ginger. What are you waiting for? Ginger is a gift from nature, full of properties that can transform your health and well-being. From improving digestion and controlling inflammation to strengthening the immune system, it offers benefits that go far beyond its striking flavor. Incorporating ginger into your routine, whether in the form of water, tea, or seasoning, is a simple step that can bring big changes. Remember that moderation and professional guidance are essential to make the most of the benefits of this incredible rhizome. After all, taking care of your health is the biggest investment you can make. It's time to discover the full potential of ginger and take a step towards a healthier and more balanced life.